So welcome back to a new episode. Now this time around we are going to look at how to solve the equation of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta equals a c. So when a number comes in that form, we are looking at how can we solve a equation which have this form. We normally use the auxiliary angle formula, which are of the form r sine in bracket theta plus or minus alpha equals c, or r cos in bracket theta plus or minus alpha equals c. So we are going to be dealing with these two areas, and we see which form can we use. We are going to start with Roman 1. If we have got r cos into theta plus alpha, so can we open this? This is the same as r into, can we open here? This is cos theta cos alpha. When we are dealing with cos, we go to minus sin theta sin alpha. So can we open them? This becomes r cos alpha cos theta minus r sin alpha sin theta. So when you find that equation is given in the form of like a cos theta minus b sin theta equals c, we normally use r cos into theta plus alpha equals c. This is the first one which we have wanted you to deal with. Now we also go to Roman 2. We have a scenario of r cos into theta minus alpha. So we try to expand equals, this is the same as r into, we expand that, this is cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin alpha. So can we try to push in? This becomes r cos alpha cos theta plus r sin alpha sin theta. So all of these ones, they can, when you find that the equation is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta equals a c, we just use r cos into theta minus alpha to solve the remaining. And again, we are also looking at a scenario for Roman 3. If we have r sine into theta plus alpha, so when trying to open that, we are going to have what we call r into sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha. So when you try to open it, it will be r cos alpha sin theta plus r sin alpha cos theta. So when you find that equation is in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta equals a c, automatically use what we call r sine into theta plus alpha. That is another scenario. We are now going also to move to scenario 4. When you find that the equation is in this form, now we are first expanding r sine into theta minus alpha is the same as r into sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha. So can we try to open this? Becomes r cos alpha sin theta minus r sin alpha cos theta. Now when you find that equation is in the form of a sin theta minus b cos theta equals a constant, we are going to be using r sine into theta minus alpha. So these are the expressions which I wanted to first derive to you before we embark on the applicability of them. All these ones, they are called the auxiliary angle formula.